Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a growing text on Capcut. A growing text is just a text you can move across the screen, just as I'm going to show you here. So let us go to Capcut and I show you how it is done. Here I will just put a video, so you can put any video you want. You go up on Capcut and you put the default text and make it fit the video. You just make it the same size with the video. Then you change the text and put in anything. You just type any text you want. So just go on and manipulate the text. You change the system size, the color, so let me just scroll down and I put a background to the text to make it more visible. Background just down here. You just choose any color you want, just a variety of them. So I will use blue. Let me just put blue. Now the next step, you position the timeline, I mean the playhead, at the beginning of the text. Just here, you position the playhead at the beginning of the text. Then you move the text on the screen to the right hand side, just before the end of the screen. So you go to transform. You go and transform and put the first keyframe. Then remove the playhead at the end of the text and drag the text on the left hand side, just like this. So when I play the text, when I play the video, it will just come out like this. So that is it. That's how it comes out. So thanks for watching, and you can subscribe for more videos.